I'm going to teach you how to make a plate. So it's very easy, and please watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. So let's begin. So here I have this orange paper, and the first step you'll do is fold it a little, because we will be needing a rectangle paper for it. And now tear these two things apart. Now after tearing it, take the smaller piece. Now what you will do with this is, first you will need to make two circles. So you will take another sheet and keep it like this, and take this diameter and make a circle and cut out two circles from it. So here I have cut two circles. Now what you will do is keep it aside and fold this orange paper a little from the sides, both the sides in the opposite directions, like this. Then same on the other side. Like this. It will look like this. Now what you'll do is take your circles and stick it on the corners. Stick them on both the corners. So here it's done. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. And bye guys. Meet you in my next video.